Looking for the best hitch bike racks to make your rides easier and safer? In this video, we'll guide you through top quality options that combine durability, convenience, and style. Our channel uploads quality videos daily to help you discover the best products for your needs. So stick around, enjoy the breakdown, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Number 1. Allen Sports Deluxe Hitch Bike Rack. If you're on a tight budget or can't justify spending lots of money on a fancy bike rack, the Allen Sports Deluxe Hitch Bike Rack, $130, can carry up to 4 bikes at a time for a fraction of the price of the competition. 4 bolts make up the entirety of the assembly, and the lightweight, 23 pounds, makes it easy to lift and fit into your hitch, so you'll be ready to roll in minutes. It's far from the most elegant solution, but it is functional and very affordable. 2 arms sport 4 sets of padded cradles, while Allen's individual tie-down system holds the bikes in place. These cradles can be spaced out or rotated to fit a wide array of bikes, from your roadie to your kid's mountain bike. Just be aware that the hanging design of this rack means that it relies on frame contact to support the bikes. There will likely be some bike-on-bike contact, and it will work best with traditional frame styles. Number 2. Swagman XC2. Of all the bike racks we've seen under $200, the Swagman XC2, $150, is easily one of the best. Instead of the top tube hanging mount you usually see with racks at this price point, the XC2 combines a cradle system with arms that clamp down on the frame. This not only keeps bikes more secure, but it also stops the front tires from swinging around and banging against your car or other bikes while you drive. The cradle hoops are adjustable, so they can fit a variety of wheelbases as well as 20-inch to 29-inch wheels. The push-button ratchet arms adjust easily, and the upright bar folds down to let you get to gear in the back of your car, but only when the bikes are off the mount. That said, there is no avoiding frame contact with this rack, so it's not ideal for carbon bikes or anyone who values the finish of their bicycle. It will hold bikes up to 35 pounds. So e-bikes and some cruisers may not work, but most non-electric mountain and road bikes will hold just fine. Number 3. Ceres MHS Duo One Bike Tray. If you're looking for a more customizable approach, the modular MHS modular hitch system rack from Ceres is worth checking out. There are 3 base hitch options that can be combined with a sleek, strong tray system which is quick and easy to operate. We recently combined the Ceres MHS 2+1 base, $200, stacked with 2 MHS Duo One Bike trays, $350, which adds up to $900. There's also a menu of options. The MHS 3+1 base is also compatible with a 2-inch hitch and carries up to 4 bikes. The MHS 1+1 base universal hitch fits both 2-inch and 1.25-inch hitch receivers, but is limited to 2 bikes max. They also sell a cargo basket that can be attached to the base that can hold coolers or luggage. This allows you to configure your rack to meet your needs and make adjustments when those needs change. To load up, you simply lift your bike onto the tray and sandwich the wheels between the opposing wheel clamps, giving a slight bump to make sure it clicks as snugly as possible. Number 4. Hollywood Racks Cross-Track. While not quite as mainstream of a brand, Hollywood Racks has been making bike racks that are popular with the RV and e-bike crowd for some time now. Its latest model, the Cross-Track, 1 bike $400, 2 bike $750, marks a relatively significant shift in both design and performance for the brand. Similar to the One-Up USA and Kuat Piston Pro, the Cross-Track has dual wheel clamps that hold the bike securely while only making contact with the tires. The Cross-Track is sold in both 1 bike and 2 bike versions in 2 inches and 1.25 inches receiver sizes. The 2-inch receiver version has a no-wobble hitch mechanism, while the 1.25 size does not. The trays and wheel clamps fit tires up to 4 inches wide and wheelbases up to 52 inches, 1,320 millimeters. The wheel clamps are adjustable to fit wheel sizes between 20 inches and 29 inches. Number 5. Inno Tire Hold Bike Hitch 4. This low-profile Inno tire hold bike hitch for $1,000 can carry up to 4 bikes up to 60 pounds each, but this monster looks like you could strap an ATV to it. You can't. Besides its intimidating presence, the most notable aspect of the tire hold is its completely frameless contact securing system, combining a full-length cradle with locking wheel clamps on both tires. The rack locks in bikes and keeps them from banging against each other during transport. It prevents any contact with the frames or forks, which is ideal for users who own carbon frames, bikes with large forks, or those who want to treat their bikes like polished china. The arms hold 20 inches to 29 inches wheels and tires that are up to 3 inches wide. One feature we absolutely love is the ability to tilt down for rear access when fully loaded, thanks to the handle on the end, which makes it easier to lift the rack, even with 4 bikes on it.